Hey everybody, this is John from Turpin Landscape Design Build, and today I want to show off this project in Westchester, Pennsylvania. So when we started here, there was an existing patio outside the back door. Wasn't very big. The rest of it was kind of just unusable yard space. It was very narrow in this area between this existing wall and the patio. The swing set was in a different location where the pool needed to go. So first thing we had to do was remove the swing set, move it out of the way, and start laying out our pool. This specific pool here is an I-30S made by Rivers Pools. The S stands for spa, which is built in. Not only does it have a spa incorporated in it already, it has a built-in tanning shelf. It has really neat benches incorporated into the top step, as well as some deep end benches to sit on. This pool features a salt system with automation, an electric heat pump, as well as LED lighting. Turned out really neat. For the coping here, we did a 6-inch bullnose, and that's made by Teco Block in a Champlain gray. The rest of it is all shale gray. Also made by Teco Block, we did a Victorian border. We did blue 60 pavers. We did that for the landing as well. The total amount of square footage here we did for patio space is around 1,200 square feet. That includes the walkway on the way out to the driveway as well. There was some minor grade difficulties with some window wells where there was an existing walkway. So what we did was we did a really neat border along the walkway leading to the driveway. That border is Brandon wall made by Teco Block as well. Turned out really neat. We're happy with it. Because we didn't want to touch the existing walls, we wanted to incorporate them. We came up with the idea to put a Pondless Waterfall to the right side, which not only works as a retaining wall, but looks really awesome too. The back of this house is pretty much nothing but really big, awesome windows. So we really wanted to make sure they had a water feature out here, not just the pool, but we wanted a natural looking water feature out here to enjoy for all seasons. On this project, we did have to incorporate a stormwater system. We were able to get away with doing a simplified approach to the township. So the pit is not real big. It's about 15 by 15 by 4 feet deep, filled with gravel and pipes and stuff like that. But it collects all the rainwater off of this patio here, as well as some downspouts. We did finish this off with a black aluminum fence made by Jareth Fencing. This is a Style 200 series. It turned out really neat. It doesn't really stand out where it's up against bushes. You kind of see right through it. In the backdrop, you don't really notice it. We really like using that kind because it doesn't stand out. All right, everybody, I really appreciate you watching. If you like this video and think this project is awesome, please feel free to share it with a friend. We really appreciate it.